In this video, we'll be talking about the ATOMPay button, which is found inside of the balance section when looking at a client file. ATOMPay will only be available if you have signed up for ATOMPay, since that's the only way that you can have access to this button here. So if you click on ATOMPay, you have a few different options here. Online payment is where you can process the payment online. If you click on this, it's going to display a screen that has the amount listed. This will pull from every year that has an account balance, though if you uncheck multi-year transaction, it'll just pull from the current year's balance. You can type in a different amount here if you wanted to. You can also select what years that you want to apply the payment to with this multi-year selection. So in this case, we're just going to do a partial payment of $25. You can use this notes field to type in any notes that pertain to this payment. Once you have set up this section, you can click on Next. This will then take you to a screen that will load to take you to the page where you can then process the payment. On this screen, you will have a option for card payment, so you can enter the card info here. And if you sign up for ACH, you'll have an option for ACH and with fields that correspond to that payment method. So this is where you can enter that payment. Once you've entered that information in, click Pay Now. That will then run the payment and post it to the account. The next option is Send Payment Link. This will take you to a screen where you can confirm the amount. This one by default pulls off of the current year, and so you can either send them the full amount or type in a different amount that you wish for them to pay. Again, you can add your notes, and you'll have an email and a cell phone field here, and this will pull from the client file. And so you do need to have both an email and cell phone, and once you click Next, this will then send out a payment link to the client. You can also use this select another contact option to choose another contact inside the client file to send this to. One thing to keep in mind with the send payment link is that this actually comes from our processing partner at Echelon. And so you do not need to have Twilio in order to be able to send a text message, as the text will be sent from them. And then once you've sent a payment link, you can view it in this payment link log. This will have a number that is updated to correspond with the number of payment links that have been sent to the client. If you click on this, it'll show the payment link here and what day, time, the amount, any notes, the email, the cell phone, and the user that sent it. And lastly, we have the terminal payment. Now, if you did not purchase a terminal, you will not have this option. But if you did purchase a terminal, this is very similar to the other options we have here. You click on terminal payment. It'll ask you to confirm the amount, just like it did for online payment. But this will have a device field where you can then choose what terminal to send the payment to. So you select that terminal. You can choose who gets the receipts. You can do no receipts, or the customer, or both, or just the merchant. And then again, you just confirm the amount that we have there. And then once you click send payment, this will then send that payment information over to the terminal, where then the client can then use their card to insert, swipe, or tap to pay to make that payment. So that is our new ATOMPay button here. If you have any questions on anything in particular with this feature, go ahead and contact us. We would be happy to help you.